What if every note you play was perfect just like this? And every step you took a praise. Would you still feel alive? Imagine this. Every time you enter a game, music, life, and business, you win. No struggle, no resistance. Just applause, instant success. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm best-selling author and visionary leader in the world of music and art known as New Power Art. I help artists build a brand, increase income, influence, and impact. That sounds beautiful, right? But slowly, the joy would vanish. Because without challenge, there's no meaning. Without attention, no music. I have learned not from the victories, but from trying again and again. After silence, from missed notes, from uncertain moments, that's where you grow. That's where you become. The truth is, you rise not when it's easy, but when it's hard. When you feel stretched, when you earn melody. And that's what I talk about in this short clip. Now, how to win faster. Not how to win faster, but how to become deeper. More present, more human. Watch this. Just a short clip. It might be the reminder your soul has been waiting for. Your soul is waiting for this short clip. What did I talk about today? What if every note you play was perfect? And every step you took a praise. Would you feel still alive? No struggle, no tension, and no resistance, just applause and instant success. Sounds beautiful, right? But after a while, you might feel boring. The exciting feeling is going to be vanish. I have learned my experience. I have learned a lot of things, not from victory, but from the time I try again and again. After silence. From missed note to uncertain moment. That's where you grow. That's where you become. The truth is you rise when it is. When not you rise not because it's easy. You rise not because it's easy, but because it's hard. When you feel stretched and when you earn the melody, when you got your melody. And what I talk about in this short clip This is what I want to show you. Not how to win faster, but how to become deeper. Watch this short clip. It might be the reminder your soul has been waiting for. If my message inspires you, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. It will help this video reach more audience and help more people. Share your story and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.